Now, while the sudden demonetization of high value notes like the 500 and 1000 rupee notes have left a lot of people reeling, mobile wallet companies are having an absolute field day. Now, this is today's Times of India, and this is an advertisement, a full page ad for Freecharge. What they say is the fastest way to pay. And what they say is cash is not feeling accepted anymore. We are. And they've highlighted all the different brands that accept Freecharge. And if you take even a cursory look, you'll find that there are so many of these brands that actually accept Freecharge. So that way, when it comes to making your payments, there are so many of these different brands for which you can pay using Freecharge. So definitely Freecharge the fastest way to pay, and they encourage you to download the app now. And going forward, they continued with their ad even bigger. Feel free to cash in. And again, there are more and more of these other brands which accept Freecharge, be it Meru Cabs, Book My Show, Go Ibibo, Barista, Cinepolis, Daily Hunt, Fun Cinemas, Fresh, so many of them. So they're all accepting Freecharge, the fastest way to pay. And at the same time, the same day's daily, Paytm, not to be outdone, in fact has gone one step ahead by even publishing, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi's image in the ad that it has published, which is also a full page ad. And here it is that ab ATM nahi, Paytm karo. Pay with Paytm to more than 15 crore people and businesses. Join the revolution. That's what they say. Going forward, they again say that Paytm sponsor mobile payments in India. They are in turn showcasing all the different kinds of payments that you can make using Paytm, which is also accepted at 800,000 merchants that include these and many more, of course. Join the Paytm revolution, partner with us. Now, with these done, Ola, taxi app aggregator, Ola is also not to be outdone. They say do not worry, So go note free with Ola Money. And as the country bids goodbye to the old currency, we welcome you to move to a cashless and secure way of payments with Ola Money. Again, going on to support Prime Minister Modi's initiative. So they are doing that as well. And with Ola Money, there's more that you can do beyond just paying for your Ola rides, mobile recharge, shop online, movie tickets, and food and beverage. So again, they are encouraging you to download Ola. And if that is not enough, they in turn showcase how exactly you are to use Ola Money. So these screenshots that have been provided, they help you with understanding the process, which is of course very, very simple. Anybody familiar with basic mobile apps will easily get to manage to use it in no time at all. And so you can see that even when it comes to say Book My Show, IRCTC, Domino's, eBay, Yatra, Quicker, and many more, they'll all be able to. Ola Money can be used there, and you have the option of getting 20% cashback on your first Ola Money recharge. Now, with all of these done, online retailer Snapdeal is also not to be outdone. They unbox Zindagi, no cash, no worries, unbox 10%, instant discounts on payments made online. So they are essentially discouraging cash on delivery, which of course right now is going to be quite a pain. So you might as well pay online, whereby you can enjoy 10% instant discounts as well. So unbox, cash free shopping, let the unboxing never stop. In fact, you'll find ads galore. Even the last page of the same paper has Freecharge's ad. You don't need cash for your business, you need a phone. Download Freecharge and use your phone for accepting digital money. So in turn, this is essentially targeting merchants, so that they in turn are used to, or get used to at least, accepting payments this way instead of accepting cash. They can accept payments digitally, which will be easy for them as well as for the shoppers themselves. Now, if you turn around, there's even more. So Freecharge has gone all out. They say, why worry about 500 to 1000 in your pocket when you can carry 10,000 on your phone? Fill your Freecharge wallet with up to 10,000 and use it for all of this, be it flight tickets, local transport, food delivery, gas bills, DTH, data, landline bills, electricity bills, movie tickets, restaurants, train tickets, metro cards, so much more. Free charge, the fastest way to pay. And not to be outdone is Uber, which rather surprisingly, or maybe given the fact that the day's ads pages are already filled with so many ads, Uber has run a rather small ad, a quarter page ad, no cash, no problem. Pay with Paytm, debit or credit card. Add 222 on Paytm and get 25% cash back on Uber rides. Download the Uber app. So Uber is also advertising, and then Times Card is also black or white. Times Card wins over cash. This is a rather regular sort of an ad which they keep publishing from time to time. So nothing much to speak about, but otherwise the whole newspaper is full of these advertisements for these various mobile wallets, and people who see an opportunity in this entire scenario, where they feel that while people are struggling, a lot of people out there are struggling with this entire scenario, but there is in fact an opportunity out there as well when it comes to certain businesses who can in fact benefit from a cashless society. Now here we see Big Bazaar also in the middle of the paper, which is advertising saying that Aapki Seva mein many more ways to pay for your shopping. Valid from 10th to 16th November. Get 10% cash back on loading money into Future Pay wallet app. No surcharge plus 5% additional discount. Get flat 10% discount. MobiKwik. And there's Paytm here as well. Easy EMIs thanks to Bajaj Finserv. So there are all of these options. So everyone is essentially going all out to ensure that while cash, at least temporarily, is going to be a problem, let it not be a problem and use the alternatives that are available. That is really the message of all of these different entities.